Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use ShopFunnel for the first time. So you can see here on my screen, this is the Shopify app. And what you're going to need to use this is a ClickFunnels account and a funnel, of course, along with a Shopify store. So with that said, let's jump right in. I'm going to switch tabs here. And you can see here, this is my demo Shopify store. And I have two products, a portable projector and a screen. So I'm going to jump over here to my ClickFunnels account now, and this is a example funnel with 3 steps. There's a sales page here, an upsell, and a thank you page. On the sales page here, you can see that we are just selling a portable projector. Very simple, just an example page. That's the sales page. And on the upsell page, we have an upsell to sell the screen, which looks like this. And the thank you page is very simple. There's nothing needed there. So let's go ahead and get started. How do we actually connect this funnel to our Shopify store with ShopFunnel? Well, let me go ahead and show you. So I'm going to go to my apps. I already have this installed, so I'm going to go here. And we're going to click Create. So the first thing we're going to want to do is give it a name. This should be descriptive. You're the only one that's going to see this, but you should know what it's all about. So I'm going to do projector funnel. That's the name. There's 2 settings here. The first setting is merge all funnel purchases into one Shopify order. Let me explain what that is. So if someone comes to your funnel and buys both the projector and the screen, you can make those appear in Shopify as one order, which you most likely want. The native Shopify ClickFunnels integration doesn't support this. That's one of the biggest reasons we built this, because our clients needed it. So I would recommend selecting that. And then the second thing is trigger default Shopify thank you and fulfillment status emails. So if you want those orders, such as the receipt/thank you email that Shopify normally sends, to also be sent for these ClickFunnel orders, then you can select that. I recommend this. This also triggers the email updates when the product was fulfilled and when the product arrives to the customer's door. So I would recommend those 2 settings. You can read more about those 2 options in the app, but I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to click Continue. And the next thing I'm going to do is install the webhook. And so what this is going to do, you're going to copy and paste this into your ClickFunnel webhook settings. So you're going to go back here. You're going to go to Settings up in the top corner here. And you're going to scroll down to webhooks. So manage your webhook funnel webhooks. And you're going to click New Webhook. You will not have any on your screen, most likely, so ignore mine. This is just a demo. So I'm going to paste the URL here. I'm going to scroll down, and where it says the events, this option to select this, you're going to select Purchase Updated. The other fields you can leave as is, and then you're going to click Create Funnel Webhook. Boom, you should see the little success icon. Okay, great. Now we're going to go back and click Continue. The third step, we're almost done here. The third step is where you're going to match products. So when these items get purchased from ClickFunnels, you want to make sure they appear properly. So we're going to match both the projector and the screen. And so how that works, it's very simple. If the product name includes projector, then the SKU is portable projector. So you can see here we're matching specific line items in our ClickFunnels orders that will come in to a SKU in our Shopify store, so it appears properly. Click add one more. I'm going to do the screen. So if the product name includes screen, then the SKU is screen. And what this is, product names right here, you're going to want to make sure that this is descriptive enough and it matches what you have listed in your ClickFunnels product setting right here. So the word projector is here. I could technically use portable projector, this whole snippet, but you want to make sure that the keyword matches what's listed in your product section of your ClickFunnels products. Right, so I'm going to click add, and then boom, just like that, I have 2. You'll want to make sure you repeat this process for each item you sell. So if you have 1 item in your sales page and 1 item in your upsell page, then there should be 2 total, right? So that's how that works. Then we're going to go ahead and click continue. And then that's about it. Then you want to double check, make sure everything looks good. If you need help, you can always reach out to support here or via email. But then just like that, you're going to click launch and boom, you're done. Now, one quick note though, if you have used the native ClickFunnels and Shopify integration, you're going to want to turn that off. So if you haven't set that up previously, meaning you haven't connected ClickFunnels and Shopify with the native integration, you're done. Right now, you're done. But if you're not, you're going to want to follow these steps and turn it off. So I do not have it set up. I do not have the native ClickFunnels and Shopify integration set up in this example funnel because we know it's already broken. We use our product instead. But how you would turn it off is you would go to products here. You would click edit. You would click the shipping section here, and you want to make sure this is off. If I were to change it out, that's on. You want to make sure it's off, and then click save and close. You do have to repeat that process for each product. So if I had a portable projector here and I had another product, I would need to click edit again on each product of each funnel step. So I'm going to do that for the sales page, the upsell pages, etc. For every product, you want to make sure that's turned off. And by doing this, that will make sure that you don't get duplicate orders in ClickFunnels. The native integration is not active and you are using only ShopFunnel, which is highly recommended. So with that being said, that's how you set up ShopFunnel. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to support, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.